Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of managing your messaging settings on the VSCO app. Specifically, I will show you how to allow messages only from people you follow, which can help you control who can contact you and keep your conversations more private and organized. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the two horizontal lines at the top left. Tap on it. Next, from the menu that appears, find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open the app's Settings menu. Then, within the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Messaging section. Here, you will find an option labeled Only Allow Messages from People I Follow. Turn this option on by tapping the toggle switch next to it. This setting will restrict incoming messages so that only users you follow can send you messages. Finally, after enabling this option, exit the Settings menu. Now, your messaging inbox will only accept messages from your followers, giving you more control over your communications and reducing unwanted messages. Thank you for watching.